There's no way. The car is actually real. It wasn't a scam. Of course, I'm not looking for a car again, and this clean ass IS300 pops up. I thought it was a scam because, you know, the ad only had like 2 pictures for me to go off of, super limited info, and it was like literally in the middle of nowhere. So I was like, hey, screw it. I'm gonna shoot my shot. If it's real, it's real. If it's a scam, it's a scam. And bruh, next thing you know, one thing led to another. A few days later, we're driving 6 hours to go pick up this car sight unseen that we're basing off of 2 pictures. So we're just about to get to the guy's place. As you can see, he lives in the middle of nowhere. It's a very interesting spot to buy, you know, such a rare IS300, but honestly, I'll take it. So we're gonna meet up at this guy's house. First, we gotta find his house, and we'll see if it's the real deal or not. Pulling up to the goods. Oh my gosh, guys, it is real. It is freaking real. Dude, the body is perfect. There is no way. The body is literally perfect. You know, it was super funny because I feel like when we showed up, they were probably like kind of disappointed some young ass kids were coming to buy it. I will not be turning this into a clapped out takeover car, but that doesn't mean I'm keeping it OEM. This car is insanely clean. It's not perfect. Like, I'm pretty sure there's a little tiny bit of surface rust starting here. Yeah, some type of scrape or something. It's pretty linear, you know, a few dings here and there. Gas cap does not sit flush, but I'm probably gonna order a new gas cap. Pretty sure I did get a rock chip on the highway driving home, but I can't find it, but it is the original windshield. Rock chips on the hood, but that's not that bad. We touch those up. Some type of paint missing here. A little bit of paint here as well. The wheels is peeling off pretty bad. There he goes. Question. Xe này hay xe BMW?
Xe này xe BMW garbage.
Well, you heard it here first. My dad thinks the i300 is way better than the E36. You tripping though, the E36 isn't garbage, that car is sick. So we've got the i300 back home with the Civ. You know, it's gonna be parked in the garage for a little bit. It's I think fall's starting soon, so you know, it's getting pretty cold. I gotta do a bunch of maintenance with it. But here it is in its new home, and oh my gosh, I can't believe I got this clean of IS300. This has been, you know, one of my long-time dream cars. I want to say dream cars, but you know, it's one of the cars that I would love to own. And you know, just getting it in like super clean 5-speed, you know, low kilometers, very well kept, makes it that much better. Let's give a quick peek for you guys here. Something that really surprised me is just how heavy the stock hood is. This thing is ridiculous. It makes me feel super weak. You know, maybe I am just super weak. Now, I already know what some of you guys are thinking. I can't wait to push 1,000 horsepower out of this thing, right? You know, it's a GE model. It's NA, completely different car from the Supra. The Trans is different. The 2JZ model is different. Just not the same car. So I know there's gonna be some of you guys in the comments that are saying slap a turbo on it and make 600 horsepower. It is a lot more complicated than that, guys. But you know, bone stock, the GE is great for getting around town. It's a lot more torquey than my E36. So just for daily city driving, this car is more than enough that I need. IS300s are notorious for having sticky dash, especially this, like, you know, vinyl portion. But you know, this one is just, it's mint. It doesn't have one note of stickiness, no cracks, nothing is faded. You know, it looks like they didn't even sit in this car. I mean, I feel like they probably didn't. The headliner, everything is mint. The roof looks really good. Rear quarter panels look incredible. The rear bumper has a few scratches and whatnot, but I'll see what I can buff out and touch up. Some dickhead keyed the car a while back with the previous owner, so that sucks, but You know, maybe I'll get this door resprayed. But that's basically it. There's not much to show you guys right now. It's just, you know, a bone stock IS300. I can't ask for much more. It's super clean, got it for an incredible deal. And, you know, I can't wait to start working on this thing. So here it is in its new home. Man, I'm gonna have to get used to seeing this, that's for sure. That is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video and I'll catch you next time. Peace out and take care.